Hi guys, how we doing? Debbie here, welcome back. So, I've been having a tidy up in my room and I came across some rice paper. So I thought we'd have a play. So I've cut out everything I need to cut out. So we've got card base, card layer, another card layer, another card layer, and a bit of rice paper. So, I'm going to, first of all, get this bit sorted. So I've got some saltwater taffy. All I want to do with this layer is just get some colour on the outside edge. The main reason for that is I haven't got any cardstock the colour that I wanted. So we'll make our own. That's that bit. Next we need out these two. The rice paper. I've got out Memento grey flannel, and what I want to do firstly is just give this rice paper some colour. Trying my hardest not to scrunch it. As you can see, it creases pretty easily. Next, I've got out this metal rulery kind of thing. Don't know where it's come from, honestly, couldn't tell you. And everything we're using today is just out of my stash, pretty much, apart from one stamp. Right, so I'm going to line that up best I can, and all we need to do is just gently tear. Okay, so that's that bit. Now for this one we are using Lavinia Stamps background script LAB 372. So we only need there really, but it doesn't matter where you do it, honestly, doesn't matter, because the rest of it a bit underneath your card anyway. So let's put that on. Oops. And that on. Now I'm going to try just put that in place. Don't know whether this is going to work, but we will give it a go. Same again, just the grey flannel, obvious stamp. Now, first of all, I want to put some of this onto our rice paper. If we've come across far enough, that is. I've obviously done something because it's stuck. Okay, I'll show you that in a sec. I just want to finish this off first. So same again. put your stamp up. And I'm going to do the cardstock underneath. Good old stamp down. Perfect. Now we've got our main panel. Now for this I want to do same colour, the saltwater taffy. I don't want it as deep. I just want just a light covering. I haven't got the refills for these, so we're going to do it this way. Some liquid Cinderella shoes by Picket Fence Studios. Don't want a lot because it'll take over the colour otherwise. I've got my splatter brush. You also need a squirt of water. Okay, now we're just going to little splatter. Okay, and I'm going to do exactly the same with the saltwater taffy, but I don't want the sparkle this time. We're just going to quickly dry that off. That's that bit. I've got out lots and lots of little flowers and leaves and bits and bobs. So I've made a little wax seal, but I don't like it. It's too big and it doesn't match at all. So I'm going to have a change to some twine. So let's turn the back over. I'm going to grab some red liner. A good burnish so I can get the top off. I'll just stick that one down first and then run it round a few times. And we get round again. Just. And then I'm going to grab another 2 bits of red liner just to go over the top. I'm not going to release the release tape on that one. A couple of finger daubers. Get my saltwater taffy. I'm just gonna give these a little bit of a colour. Now on our stalks, oops, are normally green. I don't want to use green because if I do it's gonna upset my colour palette, so I'm just gonna a little bit of grey. Glitter gloss. We're going to start putting our card together while everything else is drying off. Card base and first layer. Now this layer. Now this little piece. So I want it like that. And I want this underneath. Right, let's see if we can put I've never worked with rice paper before, so just something that's been in my stash and couldn't even tell you what I bought it from. Like the rest of you, I'm sure. It just sort of, you buy stuff and then sits there. Okay, right, that's that bit. Now for our card itself. Okay, so there's the base itself, or the card itself, sorry. Now that isn't stuck down. Right, now for this bit. So, what I'll be better off doing actually is doing my sentiment first. So give me 2 secs guys and I'll be back. Okay guys, so all I've done is I've cut out a little tag, coloured it with the saltwater taffy, stamped on the word hugs in the grey flannel memento, and then heat embossed with clear sparkle. So that is going to go straight across the middle. Okay, so now we just need to get our flowers. Where have I got plants from? So let's get out our precision glue and we'll put some dots down the stem and get that in place. I don't want the flowers themselves glued down. Okay, now on this I'm going to grab some foam tape. There's the word hooks, so just need it as straight as possible. Push down. And last but not least, I just want to get out my trusty glass beads. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, and there you have it. Something a bit different from me. Just when I saw this I thought, I wonder. I think that's actually turned out really nice. Okay, any questions? ask me below any comments. Please leave them below. I hope you liked it, and I hope you'll try and create something similar. Like I say, just use up whatever dies you've got, doesn't matter. Right, I'm going to get going, guys. If you could please give me a thumbs up, I'd be so appreciative. It really helps my channel. And if you haven't already, come over and join us on DD Cards Facebook group. Alright guys, take care and I'll see you soon. Bye!